Welcome back everyone. You may be having some issues with your Xbox Series X or S, or for some reason this console just keeps on overheating. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons as always, but the first thing I'd recommend doing is to make sure that your Xbox actually has enough ventilation around it to actually breathe in properly. You will not understand how many times people just put their Xbox right against a wall, or maybe it's on a TV stand and there's very little air going through. So that's pretty much the main thing to do. Take your Xbox and pretty much move it into an area where you can breathe a little bit better. There's fans and vents, on the back of this console and on the top as well. So making sure nothing's kind of covering up some of these consoles, that's probably the best thing you can do in this specific situation. Now let's say it is in an area where it's pretty ventilated. Another thing to keep in mind is that if you're playing really heavy or intensive games, or you just booted up a game for the first time, this can typically make the fans go up too. So if they are a little bit louder than usual, that may be another reason why this happens. And this isn't just for, Xboxes, this is for PlayStations, even mobile devices and, laptops and PCs. Anytime you, boot up a game for the first time, or even if you're in the middle of a game, sometimes there's more resources allocated to certain parts of the game than others. So you're going to have to pretty much just kind of live with it. I mean, that's kind of how it happens every single time. Now, let's say your fans are just kicking on like crazy and you're just like on the home screen or something like that. Well, you may have a random issue with your Xbox. The first thing I recommend doing here is to fully power off your Xbox and turn it back on. That could typically fix the majority of these issues. If that doesn't fix it, another thing you can do is actually update your specific Xbox. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your Xbox settings. You then want to go ahead and make your way over to your, software update panel, and you want to see if there's an update available. A majority of the time, there's probably going to be an update available. So all you have to do is go ahead and update your Xbox, and that should probably fix the issue as well. If you're still experiencing some issues, what I'd recommend doing is to actually contact Microsoft and have them take a look at your console just in case there's something wrong with it, because the sooner you do it, the more likely of a chance it is that they'll actually replace it or fix it for free, since it's such a new console right now. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.